It's pulling up to customer's residence, but I think it's this little apartment complex. Let's see, nope. It's this next one. Is it this one? Oh, there it is, okay. Well, we're gonna park on the street and then grab it. Oh wait, no, it's this little house right here. The fuck? Okay. It's a weird setup down here. Well, let's go check it out. Let's see. Give her a call and let her know we're here. Hey, this is Mikey with the towing company. I'm here outside. It's the house next to the apartments, right? I think I saw it parked over there. I just want to make sure I walk up to the right car. Okay. It's in a little parking lot, right? Okay, no worries. I'm walking over right now. All right, bye. Okay, now. Let's see. Yeah, aren't these called like duplexes or something like that? I think it's that one. What year is it? 2003. That's probably it. Hopefully it's this one. Oh, there she is. Okay. Hello. So it runs and drives, it's just saying all kinds of shit on the dash? Yeah. Okay, gotcha. Basically. No worries. I will get it over there.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Hopefully that's not the case. Let's get our pictures real quick. Posted a story about how one of my cars wasn't starting, and people are sending me a bunch of suggestions, and they're like all over the place. Ugh. Okay, let's see. Hopefully it. Thank you. All right, let's roll the window down. These cars are interesting. Some people have them and they have, you know, a couple 100,000 miles on them, and then there's people that scrap them at like 20K. I'm like, what the fuck? All right. Just gonna pull it out and behind my truck, and then we'll drive it up. Almost want to leave it running while I boom the bed out, just in case, because she didn't seem too confident in it not dying. As I say, the dash isn't lit up, but it is. It's just really dim. Don't really want to block these people's driveway, but we're going to for a second. Sorry, people. All right. We'll just be quick getting the bed down. Don't usually like to leave people's cars running. All right. Ay, ay, ay. And I didn't hit the bags because I wasn't sure. People are so fucking nosy. Always trying to stare at whatever we're doing, got going on. Like, mind your own business. You're driving. Keep your eyes forward. Shitbird. Alright, even though the front end of this thing's kind of busted up, we're gonna run our winch in a little bit just so we don't do any more damage. Well, make it worse, I should say, not do more damage, because we haven't damaged it yet. And we don't plan to. Alright, that'll be fine. Let's get it up there. Alright. Oop. Come on. This thing's got a giant V8, I'm sure. Just trying not to give it the beans. I think I ran over the winch, but that's fine. Let's make sure, yep, we're good. Alright, parking brake. Off. Let off the brake real slow like. Oh my god, that parking brake does absolutely nothing. Alright. Not a problem though. Alright. 4 baskets and we are out of here. Upper ball joint seems kind of small for how big this car is. But what do I know? Why that fell down so low. I need it up a little more. There we go. Dun dun dun. Need to grab lunch after this too. Starting to feel stomach empty. Where are we dropping? We're taking this to Goodies in Scottsdale, so what's right around there? Costco, but I don't want Costco food for lunch, not right now. What the fuck, man? Get back there. Tires wider than I was thinking. Where are they? 255. Guess they are. Why is this not falling behind the tire? There we go. Fucking hell. Yeah, there really isn't much in that area. Unless you go closer to the 101, which I don't want to do. That area is a fucking shit show. That's where that discount tire is that we drop at a lot on Frank Lloyd Wright. If you're from the area, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. There's Chick-fil-A and Wendy's and all that over there, but I am not fucking with that parking lot. I just found out the other day too, PV Burger, which is like one of my favorite places, moved over there. I'm like, well, won't be going there too much anymore. Sorry. It used to be on 40th and Bell, I think, and that location was fucking great. So I could park my truck there, not worry about being stuck in a spot somewhere. Not so much anymore. Oh, my nose is running. Sorry about the sniffling. Ugh. All right. Come on, why the fuck? My strap's being stupid right now. It's me being stupid, I'm sure, but... Christ. I guess because how far up this thing is. Quite a distance. Not really. It's like 20 miles, but still. Alright. Let's get out of here. Skedaddle. paid too real quick. Just saying it out loud so I don't forget. Let's get to goodies. Alright, backing into goodies, and there's a fucking semi in the way. So we gotta really block the street. Kia van that was pulling out of the Costco. Oh, Volvo, same shit. Just as much of a piece of shit. Okay. Did I already say we're backing into goodies? Yeah, I think so. Oh, still sniffling. Sorry. I feel like I haven't been to goodies in a little bit. In a good while, I haven't been to goodies. Dumb. Ooh, I do remember their gate rail being kind of gnarly, yeah. It's been a little bit, though. Alright. Good to go. Yeah, the customer on this one was debating on having his daughter pay for it or him paying for it, and he wishes he had his daughter pay for it. This was like a 60-mile round trip tow. It wasn't out of the realm of, like, you know, practical or whatever. We didn't gouge him, obviously, but he was like, oh yeah, if it's not too much, I'll pay for it. And I'm like, okay. But she kind of just ran back inside after she gave me the key, so I wasn't really sure what to do, because he wanted me to call him before billing her. But yeah, so it didn't really work out. He had to pay either way. But he made me send her a copy of the receipt. So that is for them to figure out. Maybe they can split it. $100 each. And the reason I don't give pricing is because every single tow is different. There's no two tows that are alike. Be picking up the two of the same car from the same place, going to the same place, and they could still somehow be different. You just never know. We have a general baseline for pricing, and it kind of starts there. The only time we deviate from it is if it needs race ramps or special equipment, or, you know, or if it requires a specific amount of, you know, retardation to get it out. You know, it all depends. That's what I'm saying. Like this was a very straightforward one, so it wasn't any higher than it should have been. But it was just a lot of miles, so it was a little more expensive. Sorry about it. And that is the one and only time I will ever talk about pricing. Because it doesn't really matter to you guys. You're probably interested. I would be, but unless you're around the Scottsdale, PV, Phoenix area, my pricing means nothing to you. But if you are in the area, give me a call. Instagram is probably the easiest way to get a hold of me, because I'm not going to put my number on YouTube, obviously, but my Instagram is just my first and last name, Mikey Indigo. You'll see a profile picture of me when I was like 8, 9, 10, somewhere right there. That's me. Let me know. And obviously I'll give you the homie hookup. Alright, let's see if this thing should just roll down to neutral. It's a mechanical shifter, but let's see. Foot on the brake. Parking brake, that does absolutely nothing off. Her phone charger is like right in the way of the shifter. Alright. Just go back nice and slow. I was gonna say go down nice and slow, and then my head told me not to because it sounded kind of suspect, but now I'm saying it anyways because I thought it was funny. Wherever it lands is good. Runs and drives, they can figure it out. All right. Drop off picture, and we are good to go. Where'd my gloves go? There they are. Come on, fucking phone. I took pictures of this thing, what the fuck? There they are. Tow book. Fucking around sometimes. Alright. Let's go find lunch. Find somewhere to eat lunch, I mean. I have no idea. Hopefully I'm not getting sick, because that would be very unfortunate. My nose is very stuffy though, but it is very cold, so I guess we'll see. Pulling into Lowe's parking lot on Frank Lloyd Wright. Looking for 3 Series BMW somewhere. There it is. Okay. This thing is quite the machine. What's going on, man? Good. He said you had the tow hook. Do you have it in the car somewhere?
Yeah, I have a... Wait.
The tow hook?
Oh, tow hook? No, I don't know. I don't know about that.
Oh, okay. It should be in the trunk. Yeah, we'll have to get in there and make sure it's there.
Yeah. Tow hook.
Huh?
Tow hook?
Yeah, it should screw into the front bumper where that big hole is. The one on the lower left. Yeah, we can look back there right now.
Yeah, let's look.
Okay, 'cause it should have one. If it doesn't, we have to pull it from the lower arms, which you're not really supposed to do.
Is it usually hidden away?
The tow hook, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, it's usually back there by like where the spare tire would be.
Yeah, let's definitely check.
Okay. Because without that,
hopefully, let's hope you teach me something.
Right. Let's see. Sometimes there's a little thing up here, but it looks like this one. Okay, let's see. It should be over in this little corner. Yeah, see, that's where it goes, but it's gone. I just have to have you sign a thing saying that we're gonna tow it, but you know, it's not the way it's meant to be. Yeah. Let me get that real quick.
And then, so it's an apartment complex?
Yeah.
Did the guy give you the code?
Yeah, it's on the notes for the call.
Oh, okay, bet.
All right, so just tap there. It'll light up green, I think, or whatever color. And then signature. Green button, perfect. All right.
Cool.
Let's see. Let me get it. You know what I'm just gonna do? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's already in neutral. Let's see. Yeah, we sent the other truck at first because we thought it had one of the like E-shifters, you know? Like the electronic shifters?
Oh, okay. Yeah,
those ones don't let you go into neutral, yeah.
Oh.
That's why we sent that truck at first, yeah. They're a real pain in the ass. You gotta jack up the car and like remove a bolt from the side of the transmission to get it in neutral. Yeah, super annoying. All right. Oh man. Yeah, these arms are very thin. Oh man. Whew. Stupid hat's getting in the way again. Yeah. Had him sign the waiver just in case. The front end of this thing is already kind of cooked, but whew. Gotta cover everything. All right. Oh, come on, it's so close. There we go. All right. All right. God damn it. Alright, just don't want to leave it on. Alright. What's that? No, you'll pay it right here. Yeah. Let me just get it all tied down, then we'll do that. Is there a specific spot it has to go in at the complex?
Yeah, I have a garage.
Okay, we'll have to push it in there.
Yeah.
Or do you think it'll run long enough if we drop it in front just to drive it in real quick?
I think so.
Okay, we'll try that first, and then if not, we can push it.
We'll see, honestly. We'll see.
Okay.
Don't trust that first part.
No worries.
But I'm not sure if you'll remember. Well, I mean, we'll be ahead of you. We'll try to.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah.
It's just the first left, and then first dumpster.
Okay.
First left, first dumpster.
Okay.
And then
Sounds
just stop
good.
right there at that dumpster. My garage is always open.
Okay.
So it's the only one that's open.
Yeah, if there's a straight shot to it too, like at the end, I can just drop it right in the garage. But I'll have to check it out once we get there.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me just get it all wrapped up, and then we'll get you paid, and we'll head over. You guys can't tell, I'm very excited about this call. I love dropping non-runners in garages at apartment complexes. Let's get this out of here. Pick up at the drop-off. Hoist. Right, pulling into customer's apartment complex. They gave me the code, luckily, so hopefully it works. Sure do. Alright, he said to go left when I came in, so let's go left. Fucking hate dropping at apartment complexes because it's always tight. Especially right now, it's literally 4:40, so everyone's getting off of work. So let's see, he said it was left and then all the way down to the dumpster, and his garage is open. I see it, but don't have a straight shot like I thought he meant. So hopefully we can drop it here and then push it up. Alright. That's him behind me. Nice. Love that. Okay. This is going better than I anticipated so far, so let's see. That went. I was like, I think I remember he said left.
Yeah. Left.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, it shouldn't be too hard if it doesn't start, but we'll try it starting obviously first.
Yeah, I haven't tried since yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah.
It might be only when it gets warm too, because it started happening after you've been driving it for a little bit, right? Or was it happening when you first started it?
Nah, it was like, cause I got to work fine.
Oh,
okay. I was going home, right? Like I tried to go home.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll just try it and see. If not, we can push it. I'm not worried about it. So many cars coming in. Really hoping this thing starts for 2 seconds so he can drive it in. That would be fucking clutch. But we'll see. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Oh. All right, let me put the bed away and then move my truck, and then we'll have you try it. Let's see. Just tether this to that. Just leave. I would never do that. So that would be super fucked. All right. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Fucking hell. No brakes, no brakes. Fucking go. Hell yeah. Love that. Okay, let's get a drop-off picture and get the fuck out of here. Hell yeah.
Dang, dude. That was actually, bro. Literally not even like
a stutter or nothing, huh?
Bro, this bitch stutters like on a daily.
Okay.
Even on a regular, it'll stutter. Even
It's not just low on gas, right?
No, it's not. That thing is like pretty much almost full.
This has the divided tank, doesn't it? Do you know? There's like it's like a saddle tank, so there's half on one side, half on the other.
Oh, I don't know.
So I think that's what it is. It's got two fuel pumps, so I bet you one of them is like going out, but the other one's okay. And when it was on the bed, it probably sloshed it all over to the one good side. Because these have two fuel pumps.
That does make a lot of sense because what's it called? When we were trying to run it, not yesterday, the day before.
Yeah.
I kept trying because it sounded like it was drowning. I kept trying, and after like a couple 30 seconds, it smelled like gas. So
yeah.
I stopped.
So that's. I would assume that's what it is because it sounds like from what you were saying, it's like it's not getting fuel. But either way, I'm just glad it made it in that we didn't have to push it.
Yeah,
all right, man. Have a good one.
Thank you
Appreciate
so
you.
much,
Does this loop around if I go out, or if I go around?
There's another exit
down there.
Yeah.
Okay.
On the left. It's a little steep. I'm not sure if it's like.
I'll check it out when I go by it. Thank you. Have a good one. Nice guy. Glad it started. Holy shit. Was not anticipating that it actually would, but I was hoping it did. Love that. Let's get the fuck out of here.